In the world of stock analysis, one of the most important metric to understand is the price-to-earnings ratio, or also known as PE ratio. The PE ratio is a measure of how much investors are willing to pay for each rupee of a company's earnings. In this video, we will explain what the PE ratio is, how it is calculated, and why it is such a valuable tool for stock analysis. Definition of PE ratio. The PE ratio is calculated by dividing a company's current stock price by its earnings per share, EPS. For example, if a company's stock is currently trading at 50 rupees per share and its EPS is 5 rupees, then its PE ratio would be 10. Importance of PE ratio. The PE ratio is important because it provides a way to compare the relative value of different stocks. A high PE ratio may indicate that a stock is overvalued, while a low PE ratio may indicate that a stock is undervalued. Understanding high versus low PE ratios. A high PE ratio can be a sign of a company with strong growth prospects, while a low PE ratio may indicate a company that is struggling or has limited growth potential. However, it is important to remember that a high PE ratio can also be a sign of an overheated market, while a low PE ratio may indicate that a stock is facing significant challenges. Comparison with industry averages. It is important to compare a company's PE ratio with the average for its industry. A company with a higher PE ratio than its peers may be overvalued, while a company with a lower PE ratio may be undervalued. Limitations of PE ratio. While the PE ratio is a useful metric, it should not be used in isolation. Other factors, such as a company's growth prospects, financial health, and competitive position, must also be considered when making investment decisions. Conclusion. In summary, the PE ratio is a key metric for stock analysis, providing a way to compare the relative value of different stocks. By understanding how the PE ratio is calculated and how it can be used to evaluate companies, investors can make more informed investment decisions. If you like our videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.